Oh.
Good day, sir. I am Nicky Doro, attendance number 20. My topic is all about non-reference grading. Okay. The non-reference grading indeed promotes computation to the extent that students would rather not help fellow students because by doing so, the mean of the class would raise and consequently it would be more difficult to get higher grades. Similar, students would do everything like legal to pull down the scores of everyone else in order to lower the mean and thus assure him or her of higher grades in the term. Okay, for example, a student or people who happen to enroll in a class of little students in mathematics will find that the non-reference grading system is rather worrisome. Example, the 1-1 or the 1.0 or excellent is top 15% of the class, and 1.5 good next to 50% of the class, and 2 or 2.0 or average fair next to 45% of the class. The 3 or the 3.0 poor pass next to 50% of the class. The 5 or what you call failure is about to 10% of the class. So this is the row score, grade equivalent, and percentage. The row score, below 55, the grade equivalent is failed, and the percentage is 1%. The row score of 55 to 60 is equivalent to marginal pass or 4%. The score of 61 to 65 equivalent to pass or 11%. The score of 66 to 75 is equivalent to average or 68%. The 76 to 80 is equivalent to above average or 11%. The 81 to 85%, 85 is equivalent to very good or 4%. The above 85 or 85 up is equivalent to